Well, like I said, I mean, we had a small issue, and that was right away addressed, and it can always happen, obviously. But really, the important part is what happens, right? If you have an issue, are you getting ignored? You don't get callbacks or anything like that, and we didn't have that experience at all. So everything we had questions about or any issues were addressed and immediately sorted out. So that really gave us a good feeling, yeah, in the end.
And you get what you pay for, you know what I'm saying? I mean, if you're looking for something quick and cheap and this, that's not Kanga. Kanga Roof is quality and it's gonna last. And look at how beautiful our house is.
Well, we were looking for a reliable and good service that does everything, including a skylight and the gutters and so on, the gutter guards. So we wanted it all from one hand, not just different contractors. I mean, no question it was unanswered, and we got everything sorted pretty quick. So it was everything we asked for, like I said, including the skylight and the gutter guards. It was all in one package, the heat tape there that we added. So, and that was straightforward, yeah.
And they kept in contact with us too. I could call them anytime if I needed something, whatever, but they were really great. The gals at the office were really sweet. I can't say enough. We can't say enough about Kanga Roofs.
Again, I would always say do your research, right? I mean, that's what we did. And in the end, I'm sure you will still end up with Kanga Roof.
Be up to it. Go Kanga Roof. Totally. We love Kanga Roof.